Hi, we're here in the Colony in Texas, and if you're in the mood for Southern home cooking, you might want to check this restaurant out. It's called Down South.
Okay, I'm going to try a little bit of this corn chowder today, and it's got some green onion garnish, and it's drizzled with something, so I'm curious what it is. Let's give it a try. Oh my goodness, is that delicious. You're going to have to try that.
I'm going to try a little bit of the corn chowder. It looks really good. Let's see how it tastes. That is delicious, corn chowder.
Hi, I ordered the meatloaf and a side of mashed potatoes and salad. You can choose from a wide variety of different Southern style sides, but these are the ones I chose for today. So I'm going to try their meatloaf. It looks scrumptious. Very tender. It's got a gravy on top, and it's sprinkled with parsley. Very good. Let me try a little bit of the potato. Wow. This is truly amazing because I'm so impressed with their the way they played it, and the cute little basket they had for cornbread, as well as the biscuits. It's just down to the last detail. I love it. What'd you get today?
So I got Granny's chicken salad sandwich. It looks good. I'm going to go ahead and try a bite of it. Granny sure knows how to make chicken salad sandwich. You've got grapes, chicken, and a croissant bun. It is fantastic. I love it.
Christine, what'd you order today?
I got the avocado toast, and it comes with poached eggs, feta cheese, and arugula, and some sort of drizzle that looks amazing. Yeah, so I'll try it.
Yeah.